everyone! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the best beauty and wellness products out there to help you make informed choices. Today, we're switching gears a bit with a review on a product that's all about maintaining that bright, healthy smile, the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 Rechargeable Electric Power Toothbrush. Let's talk about whether this one is worth adding to your dental care routine. The Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 is an electric toothbrush that promises to remove up to 10x more plaque than a manual toothbrush, which immediately sounds like a game changer, right? It's designed with several features that cater to different brushing needs, from whitening to gum health. The model I'm reviewing comes in this soft, pink color, which is a nice touch if you're into aesthetics as much as I am. So let's break it down. This toothbrush uses a combination of powerful sonic vibrations to deliver a deep clean. You've got 4 different brushing modes: Clean, White Plus, Gum Health, and Deep Clean Plus, with 3 intensity settings. What I really love about this is the customization. You can tailor your brushing experience depending on your needs, whether you're aiming for a whiter smile or just a gentle gum massage. As for the pressure sensor, it's a feature I didn't know I needed until I used it. It alerts you when you're brushing too hard, which I tend to do sometimes, especially in the mornings when I'm in a rush. This little feature is great for avoiding gum damage and ensuring a proper brushing technique. Speaking of brushing technique, the progress report feature is another win for me. It gives you guidance on how to improve your brushing habits, making it easier to maintain healthy teeth over time. When it comes to the brush head, Philips has integrated their BrushSync Technology, which is another neat touch. It notifies you when it's time to replace the brush head, ensuring that your brushing is always at peak performance. Over time, I've noticed that some electric toothbrushes can lose effectiveness if you're using the same brush head for too long, so this feature is a must-have. Now, let's get into how it actually performs in daily use. Honestly, this toothbrush feels incredibly smooth to use. The different modes and intensities are easy to switch between, and the brush head glides effortlessly over your teeth, delivering that clean feeling I love after every use. It feels like it gets into all those hard-to-reach spots, and I noticed my teeth were visibly whiter after just a few days of use, especially with the White Plus mode. However, I did have a few small gripes. First, the toothbrush is a bit on the larger side, which might be a concern if you have smaller hands or prefer a more compact design. Also, while the 4 modes are great, they might feel a little overwhelming for someone who's used to a basic electric toothbrush. But overall, these are minor issues in the grand scheme of things. So what about the value for money? The Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 is definitely on the pricier side compared to regular electric toothbrushes, but it packs in a lot of high-tech features that make it stand out. The pressure sensor, progress reports, and BrushSync technology all contribute to a more effective and personalized brushing experience. If you're someone who values those kinds of details in your dental care, then the price tag feels more justified. But if you're on a tight budget, there are more affordable options out there that still do a decent job at plaque removal. Now I'll say, there are a few alternatives you might want to check out if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. The Oral-B Pro 1000 is a solid electric toothbrush for less money, and it still offers great cleaning power, even though it doesn't have the bells and whistles of the Philips Sonicare. But if you want to treat yourself to something a little more advanced, this toothbrush delivers real value. When it comes to build quality, this one feels solid. The handle is ergonomically designed and has a nice grip, which is important when you're holding it in a wet bathroom. The battery life is also pretty impressive. You can expect a solid few weeks of use from one full charge, so it's perfect for travel or just not having to worry about constantly charging it. Overall, the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 delivers on its promises. It's a high-performance toothbrush that's perfect for someone serious about their oral care. The customizable modes and pressure sensor are excellent features that cater to various brushing needs. While the price might be steep for some, the technology and added features make it a strong contender in the premium electric toothbrush market. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. It really helps out the channel and allows me to keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you've used the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Would love to hear about your experiences with it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.